That's it right there. You know you're a winner when you get sprinkles, baby. Heading off to hour and a half drive here. One of the guys is moving out of his house at the shop. I just scored pretty big. I got me 2 vacuum pumps, a reclaimer, and a handful of other tools. You know, I like my tools. Hey. Anyways, we're heading out to a job here to measure it for 4 units. Had a ceiling in it. I'm gonna change the return to a central return. Everything is gonna be visible from the store point. It says, look, I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna measure the curbs for curb adapters. We can get carrier rooftops about the best price because we push a lot of carrier rooftops, so we get the value discount and all that. So we try to stick with carrier if we can, which means more than likely we're going to need a curb adapter, which is fine. We're like 3 miles away from curb and dampers here in Michigan, and they make about the best around. It's 80-degree high for today, so I know by the time I get out here and get done, the service board is going to be plumb full. I was trying to take a video here, left the truck wide open, went running, trying to find what location. We're at a big strip mall here. We're looking at a new commercial job. We have the job. It's one of our trusted contractors. Supposedly, I don't know if they're doing quote, what they're doing. I don't get involved with that. I'm just looking at my score. Ram set, nice. That's cool. So, guy says I got 2 vacuum pumps. Ain't got time. The one's blown up. Check them out. Get one going. He wants one good one back. He gives me ram set, gas pressure test kit. Look at that beauty. That's score in itself. This is out of his work truck. It's got a leak or something, so if I can get both these going, I get one of them. If not, I'll have some spare parts. I like to tear shit apart, so I like tools, so score payment is some tools and a jolly good time. Boom, boom. Out back, we found the happy can. We got the ladder up. Just going for a ponder here. Fashion bug is what it used to be, huh? Some old pretty trains. You see it's 3-phase, 208. Says 208, 230 on the tag. I missed it. It's bent. Rusty as shit. That is a... Shit, I didn't even look. $120,000 BTU output. It's R22. Model YD, all that right there. That's unit 1. There's unit 2. And 3-phase. There's model numbers right there. 208. Unit 3. We actually got a plug here. How about that? Unit number 3 will say it is Mark 3. I'm just not making this up. See the model and serial. 208 voltage. Unit number 4. Some curb repair already. Same thing. 3-phase, 208, model and serial number right there. Unit 4. Pretty close to the edge of the back. The front's kind of a no-go. We can go take a look off of the edge of the roof. See a bad stack back here. We got a clear shot with a crane. Bathrooms here, there's 2 stacks going up, and they already demoed them 2 bathrooms over there where they got the bad stack. I don't have a print or nothing like that. You can see there's 4 units. I just got to come down, measure the outputs, what sizes they are, how many. We're going to do probably a 1 stick of pipe and an elbow off of just about all of them. This one's not going to go through. Touch up here and there, couple patches. I don't see nothing cut off of this one. It's kind of odd. We got 1, 2, 4. 4 off of this one. 4 off of that one. 4. Alright, we are out here at Magoo's Pet Store. It's Magoo's Pet Outlet, I believe. venting that we're building. We got our dampers for our registers. We open them up, grab the cover, put our little spinner doodad in there, break it a couple times. Put it in a box so it holds it. Grab our impact and we screw it down on the side. Now, because there is a damper in here, now I pre-cut all these. Put the elbow in. We lay it out. You can see I already cut in. This one's got to be moved. So yeah, color. And we have take the wrap off. I got Bob over there taking the wrap off while I'm building out. This is where the join is, so I cut it flat, fold them up. do a drive-through on the lift. Bobby, we're doing tool porn on the lift, baby.
Yeah, man. They like videotape this out, huh?
Tony wants pictures, I give him pictures.
You're gonna give a whole videotape.
We're short a couple of registers because of dampers. But everything is all good and peachy. Everything's sealed. Bobby over there doing a return. He's putting an A grade in. Custom size. See the old one straight ahead. It's 16-inch round. We're going to open it all the way up, give it some good airflow. We're out here at the pet store. You can see we sealed ducts. This whole system does not have the registers in. This system, half of the registers are not in. The dampers are on back order. So Monday we'll come out and finish that. But all of it's sealed. Everything's lined up. We got all the registers together for this one, color 3 for that one. I'm gonna go up and crimp a couple of these elbows. They gave me spiral elbows. They gave me the wrong dampers. You know how heating and cooling guys do. Make it work.